How to resize your image in Pixlr online free photo editor completely for free. Let's get right into it. Step number 1 is to drag the image onto Pixlr online and then add current or create new. In this case, we're adding an image. And then in order to zoom in and zoom out, hold down Alt on your keyboard and then up and down on your mouse. And then uncheck the image by clicking this lock icon right here. And as we can see, our image is a little too big to fit on our frame or the canvas. Unfortunately, in Pixlr, you cannot click Ctrl T and readjust the image like you can in Adobe Photoshop CC. However, as you can see, we have this on the top left hand screen. Click it and move down and click the image, canvas, and adjust your image accordingly. And this is how you can adjust your image on Pixlr online photo editor completely for free. If you want to see more free photo editing tutorials, drop this video a like, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. I'm out.
Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.